Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get started with this 1965 Ford Daytona, listed for $55,000 US in Lawrenceville, Georgia. It's been driven 4,900 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description: Factory 5 Type 65 Coupe, Gen 2 302 cubic inch V8, 5-speed manual transmission, Ford 8.8-inch axle, American racing wheels, front disc brakes, adjustable coilovers, 3-link rear suspension, Holley EFI, tubular headers, build and service records. And up next, we have this 1953 MG TD, listed for $26,500 US in Fuquay Varina, North Carolina. It's been driven 300 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title, and from the seller's description: 1953 TD with 327 small block Chevy, 11.1 compression, 2.02 Edelbrock aluminum heads, dual quads, solid lifter cam, roller rockers, TH350, 75 MGB front suspension, disc brakes, front cycle fenders are off of a T-Rex. Alright, here we have a 1973 Sterling kit car, and later in the video we actually have a Project Sterling available as well. This one is listed for $6,500 US in Vista, California. It's been driven 16,300 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description: 1973 Sterling, price firm, Volkswagen frame, canopy lift top, have extra motor and transmission, extra set of alloy wheels and tires, glass, chrome dress-up kit, seat covers, etc. Working on new dash. The car was garaged last 2 years when dash replacement started. Only trade for a 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive truck. Okay, here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket, listed for $24,900 US in Okmulgee, Oklahoma. Hope I pronounced that properly. It's been driven 1,500 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description: 1923 Ford T-Bucket, big block Chevy, trade-ins welcome. Alright, I have to say I find this one kind of sweet. A 1960 Porsche 356 Speedster replica, listed for $31,499 US in San Clemente, California. It's been driven 5,000 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description: Porsche 356 Speedster replica from Classic Motor Carriages, air-cooled 1.6-liter flat-4 engine with a 4-speed manual, recent tune-up, valve adjustment, ready for weekend drives, car shows, or just turning heads around town. Alright, we have a couple of dune buggies today. Here is one of them, a 1966 dune buggy, listed for $13,500 US in Junction City, Kansas. It is a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description: 1966 Berry Mini T with C cab, rust-free pan except for a dime-size hole under the battery, vintage adjustable beam front axle, brakes are good, 1600 DP engine, runs good, 125 miles on the build, polished stainless MP headers, complete new custom wiring harness, Auga horn, and I kept that in just so I could say Auga. The buggy needs the interior finished. It's all there, just finish it and go cruise. I'm moving on to another project I've wanted for several years. And up next we have this 1988 Austin Healey Sebring 5000, listed for $21,000 US in Morris, Illinois. It's been driven 16,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description: Austin Healey replica made by Classic Roadsters, L82 Chevy 350 V8, TH350 3-speed automatic transmission, runs on premium gas, makes around 375 horsepower, Edelbrock carburetor, tubular headers, coilover suspension, paint has some signs of wear but isn't very noticeable, comes with a cabin cover and soft top cover. Soft top has a slight rip, will also come with books and documents from when it was built, starts and runs great, needs a new oil pan gasket. Okay, regular viewers may have seen this one in this past Wednesday's Weird Vehicles video. Here we have a 1976 Mini 1000 with a beach car conversion kit, listed for $41,000 US in Thonotosassa, Florida. It's been driven 1,600 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description: short and sweet, fully restored, excellent condition, must see. mentioned we had a couple of dune buggies today. Here we have a 1973 dune buggy listed for $10,500 US in Hunley, Illinois. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, $10,500 cash or possible trade, no boats, no projects, no bikes except Ural with sidecar, no cars with rust, have title, headlights, taillights, and wipers wired and work, speedo works, does not have seat belts, has directional not wired, tachometer not wired, street legal with title, fiberglass hardtop, good tires, new wiring harness, could use tidying up. And bringing up the rear is this Sterling project car that I've listed in case anyone's interested in a project. It is from the 1970s and listed for $2,500 US in Syracuse, Utah. Its condition is listed as used fair and from the seller's description. I am not sure what year exactly. It has a California tag. My husband had this car for over 10 years, loved tinkering with it. He passed away, so I don't have a lot of info. No title, no motor. Great project if you love exotic cars. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.